everyone, this video is on applications of permutations, and we're going to do these for problems. So for the first one, we're going to calculate this, and we're going from left to right. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to say, you're taking this one first. So 1 maps to, we're going to write 1. 1 maps to 3. All right. 3 maps to 3. And 3 maps to 2. So once you get done, you're basically going 1 maps to 3, then 3 maps to 3, then 3 maps to 2. So you take these two. So that's going to be 1, 2. All right, next. We have that, so now we're going to write 2. And let's look what's going on with 2. 2 maps to 2. Then 2 maps to 1. Then 1 maps to 3. So this will be 3. Finally 3. So put 3 here. 3 maps to 1. 1 maps to 2. And 2 maps to 1. So that's your answer for that one. Now for the second one, let's do that one. We can go a little faster. Let's see. This was 1. All right, so let's do this one. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. And start with 1. 1 maps to 2. 2 maps to 1. 2 maps to 3. 3 maps to 4. So you write down your last number. 3 maps to 4. 4 maps to 2. 4 maps to 1. 1 maps to 3. So you write the last number. So that's it for that one. I know it looks sloppy. If you want to keep writing it out like that, you're basically taking your where you start and where you end is what you write down. All right. Now the second one says find the inverse of this. So on the inverse, all you do for that is write 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just write the opposite of that. So that's going to be 2, 4, 1, 3. So that's all you have to do for the inverse. Good for that one. All right, next one, find the order. So for the order, we're going to write this down as 1 maps to 3, and 3 maps to 4, so 1 maps to 3, 3 maps to 4, I keep putting commas, 4 maps to 2, and then 2 maps back to 1. So since there's 4 elements, the order equals 4. All right? So that's how you do that. If you had something like this, that would also be order 2. If you had 4, I mean. If you had something like this, I'm trying to do different numbers here. So let's say 5, 6, 7. If you had something like that, it would be 2 times 2 times 3. So that would be, the order would be 12. So that's how you do the order. In this case, we only have 4, so that's the order is 4. All right, and finally, given A and B, solve AX equals B. So basically, AX equals B. To solve for B, we can multiply both sides by the inverse. All right. This gives you your identity. So we don't need that. So you get really x equals A inverse B. So therefore, the inverse of A, remember we did that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just write this backwards. So this would be 2, 4, 1, 3. So that's your A inverse. And your B, just copy it down. What is that? 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 4, 2, 1, 3. Then working from right to left, 1 maps to 4, and 4 maps to 3. So we're going to write 1 maps to 3. All right. Secondly, we have 2 maps to 2 and 2 maps to 4. Then we have 3 maps to 1 and 1 maps to 2. So we have 3 maps to 1, but 1 goes to 2. 4 maps to 3, but 3 goes to 1. So your inverse is going to be this one right here. And let's see. X, this is going to be your X, not your inverse. So that's going to be 3, 4, 2, 1 in the denominator. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.